Hey mate, you're watching Mad Australia.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Australia, and today we're at a very spooky, steamy Tumut River. I don't know if you can see the steam, but it's looking pretty crazy. Anyway, so today we're gonna go up and down the Tumut River fishing. We're also gonna go and check out Adelong Falls and Blowering Dam. So yeah.
On there? It is? Oh yeah. No, just go. Pull him up. Pull him up. Oh!
Alrighty. Might even try going on here. But yeah, well, you can see where the water comes up to. So these, look at that. I'm gonna go too far down because I don't know if it's gonna be slippery or what. And I'm shit scared because I can't swim very well, so I don't want to fall in here. Oh, hang on, let's fix this guy up. So yeah, can someone let me know in the comments, like, if this is a good, you know, thing to do around here, or someone's line stuck on that, because I don't want to get it stuck like I just did then. But I want to see if this is slippery. Oh yeah, look at that mud. So if I go on that, I'm gonna go ass over titty, but that's pretty bad. Alright, we ain't going down there. I'm gonna stay here. I'm just gonna try, I guess, I don't know, we'll see. I lose this lure. This is not the same cicada lure, this is a different one, so, because the one I found, the one I found was having trouble with its wings, so I'm gonna have to pull it apart and have a look at it. But yeah, it's moving pretty fast. Well, if that's someone's trap there or not. Scared I might see a yowie or something come out of those bushes. So yeah, ripper of a day today. Lots of families around here, just chilling, having a nice holiday. It is New Year's Day, New Year's Eve today, so we just thought we'd come out for a little quick sesh. And I mean, look at that. I'm gonna have to go and get my underwater case, because this just looks so cool. I mean, look at this stuff on here. I need to pee as well. Just leave that there for a sec. Look at that. What is that? I'm gonna drop my camera. It's too strong. Oh. Ah, shit. This is not a good idea at all. See if I can leave it there. Oh. I got it stuck right at the end. Yeah, I'll try. Huh? Yeah, it's the one, the cicada. I don't know what this is. Maybe someone's trap. Alright. I hope that doesn't fall off. Will this break? Why is set 1 foot wrong here? Fuck. Yeah. Holy shit. Oh, it's big. Oh shit. Hey, yeah. I'll go down. Ooh. Oh, that's a big boy. Holy shit. Oh. Big cup. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. This is bonus, a very cool tree for you. Bye.